So good morning, everyone, here in Saskatoon, and everyone joining us in Isle Across, as well as online through our live stream. So we're just going to prepare now to beam into L'Orange. So our program here, jointly with Isle Across, they've been having their own program in L'Orange, and we're set to join together right now at 10:30. So yeah, we're on, so we can hit connect. Hopefully they have their alarm turned off. We've been doing a bunch of testing and training the past week, and we've set off the alarm numerous times, the motion sensor. So Carol is just beaming in right now. This is the control station interface that you're seeing on the screen. And it looks like they're all waiting for us.
It's Richard and all across. We're going to move the robot back into the wireless network.
Okay.
It'll be about 2 minutes.
Okay, sounds good. So, hi L'Orange, you see us, hear us?
Hi.
Okay, so this is the lab in L'Orange. We're beamed right now into the RP7. Lorna mentioned that the technology has been developed by a company based in Santa Barbara called InTouch Health. And they make numerous remote presence endpoints. And the one we see at the front here is the Express, and it's mobile for emergency response use. This is the one that runs on a cellular connection. The RP7 is the kind of their flagship model, and it's the independently mobile robot. So Carol's going to drive us to a mirror now so that we can see what it looks like. You've seen a little sneak peek at the Isle Across one, but ready to go? Okay. Yeah.
While you're doing that, Mark, maybe I can introduce you to the people here in L'Orange. This is Carol Bullin, who's sitting down. Carol is the professor who's going to be working with the students using this technology, and this is Mark Tomtene, who's our director of instructional technology services, and who we told he had to bubble wrap himself this weekend because if anything happens to him this weekend, he's no longer going to be. So he's sort of our life connection in this whole initiative. So
thanks,
welcome
Lois.
to L'Orange. Welcome to L'Orange.
I'll give you, just to give you guys an idea, we've got a full room here, and we had a full room in Isle Across, but they've gone down to their lab now. So, okay, so Carol is just navigating the space. She's using a joystick connected to the control station, and we're just going to pull up to the mirror. Yeah, you got it. Okay, so that's us. All right. So the good job, good job. So at the top of the robot stands about 5 feet tall. At the top there are, if you want to just zoom in a little bit, okay. There are dual camera configuration on the top. So as we were driving, you saw it was sort of a fisheye view, and then it has a really powerful zoom camera. Just go. You can, It runs on Wi-Fi connection at the local site. As you can see on the monitor there, they're seeing what we're feeding to them through the webcam. This pod here is on the screen at the remote site. Looking further down the body, there's a big speaker on the front there, and they can adjust volume controls there, as well as we can control them from the interface here. A little bit further down, there are, just do the left. These are some of the proximity sensors, so you can see those in the upper left, just giving you an idea of spatial concerns around getting close to walls and objects and things like that. So the longer the bars there, the more space you have. And you can probably zoom out all the way. Yeah. And so then the robot itself has ball-bearing wheels, so it can turn right on its own footprint. It's completely maneuverable. It can do strafing motion, forward, back, etc. On the back of the robot, that would be on the joystick, double right. Yeah. So on the back of the robot there is a handset for private conversations. There's an onboard printer, a stethoscope attachment for heart sounds to be transmitted back to the control station, as well as auxiliary video input, and that's what Lorna was talking about in regards to dentistry. So we could attach an oral scope that could be then fed back through the technology to the expert at the control station. Yeah, I think so. That's the technology in a nutshell. And so I think the next step now is to do the demonstration, the teaching demonstration.